is the 1962 Vauxhall Cresta, sorry 1961 Vauxhall Cresta, so she's 60 years old. And what's happening now is we're getting the seats refurbed. So I'll show you what the seats look like now. This is the rear seat, which looks fine. It's leather, but it's quite faded. It is very faded, in fact. It's from the original colour. And this is front seat, which again is a totally different story, because this is in quite bad condition. We have where obviously we're over 60 years, people can get in and out of it, and also it's suffering for some quite bad repairs. Hoping you can see these. Nasty split there. And further along there's a nasty split, which is even worse. And further along still there's another one. So all in all, pretty poor condition. So that gives you an idea. And what we could do is do another video of when they're done. Thank you. Right, this is the 1961 Cresta. It's had all the seats refurbed. You can remember what they were like before. They were pretty awful. It's all been done nicely. Just remember that the seat squab here had all splits all over it, and now it hasn't. It's all nice, all the same colour, all looks good. Also the back, the damage has been repaired. The instructions I gave the lady was, please do not over restore, because there's nothing worse than having something over restored. So it's got some like minor imperfections, which you'd expect, but all in all, very pleased with it.